Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Hey there, Jeep enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to reveal the ultimate solution, the world's best shocks for Jeep Wrangler. Whether you're tackling tough trails or cruising the streets, these shocks will revolutionize your ride. So, buckle up and join me as we explore the top picks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. Rancho RS5000X Gas Shocks Set for Jeep Wrangler 4WD-JK. Engineered for adventure seekers, this set offers unparalleled performance both on and off the road. With its advanced damping technology, expect smoother rides over any terrain, from rocky trails to city streets. The RS5000X shocks provide optimal control and stability, ensuring a comfortable driving experience even in the most challenging conditions. Crafted specifically for Jeep Wrangler 4WD-JK models, these shocks boast durability and reliability, ready to tackle your next off-road excursion with confidence. Upgrade your ride with the Rancho RS5000X Gas Shock Set and elevate your Jeep experience to new heights. Number 2. Billstein 5100 Monotube Gas Shock Set tailored specifically for 07-15 Jeep Wrangler JK models equipped with 1.5 to 3-inch lift kits. Engineered with precision, these shocks ensure superior performance both on and off the road. The monotube design guarantees consistent damping, providing a smoother ride and enhanced stability. Featuring a durable construction, they withstand the toughest terrains, promising longevity and reliability. With their adjustable height settings, these shocks offer versatility to adapt to varying driving conditions. Upgrade your Jeep's suspension with the Billstein 5100 Monotube Gas Shock Set and experience unparalleled comfort and control on your next adventure. Number 3. Rough Country's 0 to 3-inch N3 rear shock absorbers for 07-18 Jeep Wrangler JK 23144_A. Engineered for Jeep enthusiasts seeking enhanced off-road performance, these shock absorbers deliver superior damping for a smoother ride over rugged terrain. With a durable 18mm spring-loaded piston rod and a nitrogen-charged design, they offer improved control and stability, ensuring optimal handling even in the toughest conditions. The 10-stage variable valving adapts to various driving situations, from daily commutes to weekend adventures. Easy bolt-on installation means you spend less time in the garage and more time hitting the trails. Upgrade your Wrangler JK suspension with Rough Country's reliable shock absorbers for an unparalleled off-road experience. Number 4. Fox Racing Series IFP shocks for Jeep Wrangler JK 07-15 with 1.5 to 3.5-inch lift. Designed to elevate your off-road experience, these shocks deliver unparalleled performance and durability. With a precision-engineered internal floating piston (IFP) design, they provide consistent damping in any terrain, ensuring a smooth ride on and off the trail. The Fox Racing Series IFP shocks offer a perfect fit for Jeep Wrangler JK models, enhancing stability and control during aggressive maneuvers. Whether you're tackling rocky terrain or cruising the highway, these shocks promise reliable performance every time. Upgrade your adventure with Fox Racing's trusted quality and innovation. Number 5. Detroit Axles front and rear shock absorbers, the ultimate upgrade for your 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Crafted with precision engineering, these complete shock absorber assemblies guarantee a smooth and stable ride on any terrain. With durable construction and advanced technology, they ensure maximum performance and longevity, even under the toughest conditions. Whether you're cruising the highways or tackling off-road adventures, these shock absorbers deliver unparalleled comfort and control. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to enhanced driving experience with Detroit Axles premium shock absorbers. Upgrade your Wrangler today and conquer the road with confidence. In conclusion, Choosing the best shocks for your Jeep Wrangler is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable ride, both on and off-road. Whether it's enhancing performance, durability, or comfort, the right shocks can make all the difference. We've explored various options, considering factors like terrain, budget, and personal preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video for more updates on optimizing your Jeep Wrangler experience.